Welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. Today we're gonna make a Jamaican special. So we're gonna make, see, Jamaican ackee right here, onion, and we have sausage, tomato, jasmine rice, the butter, thyme, pepper. That's all my ingredients here for now. So let's kick it off, guys. Alright guys, we already have the butter in, so that's the rice. We put some butters. We're gonna put all these season. See this, we're gonna season the rice, some pimentos. So we have some all-purpose, we have a thyme, put in the pot. Here we have green peppers in it. Then we're gonna use our all-purpose Maggi. So all these, so guys, look at it, looking wonderful, looking great. So that's the rice. We have the Maggi season, we have the chicken, we have the all-purpose season. So everything is inside right now, looking good. I'm gonna cover it down, let it steam for like 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, that's the rice. So on to the next thing, the ackee right now, guys. I'm gonna throw it in a pot of boiling water right there. We're gonna let it boil. We're gonna let it boil for like 10 minutes, okay? So 5 to 10 minutes, let it boil and check it if it's cooked. Here we go, guys. Ackee is finished. We're gonna fry it up later on. Now we're gonna season. See, we have onion, tomatoes, that's thyme. Then we have hot Scotch bonnet pepper right there. So we're gonna season our sausage with some all-purpose Maggi season. We're also gonna use some ginger and pimento, garlic season. We also gonna use some Maggi chicken seasoning. Okay, now guys, we're gonna put the seasoning in. Looking beautiful, guys. Gorgeous. Very gorgeous, guys. So we're gonna let that fry for like maybe 2 minutes, and then we're gonna put the ackee in. Okay. Yes, guys, these are my secret ingredients. See, I'm gonna add a teaspoon each of this into the ackee. So look at it, guys. Wow, looking very lovely. That's ackee and sausage right there. Here we have the white rice, beautiful, just finished. So guys, so we're gonna put a teaspoon each seasoning. The Wicked One Stop sauce. We have the fish and meat sauce we're gonna put into it. We have the sweet and spicy sauce. Very lovely. So we're gonna add a teaspoon each to the ackee right now. Peace out. See you on the finished product. Yes, guys, after 10 minutes I turn it off. So look at it, guys, looking lovely, wonderful, guys. Yes, so check out the finished product. Beautiful. Check out that color. Beautiful, guys. Check it out. Yes, that's ackee and white rice with sausage. Beautiful.